Good morning, everyone. I'm Karamveer Singh Obray, member of group number one. Topic of our project is e-commerce website regarding vehicles.
My name is Sujay Gulnani, roll number 25.
I'm Vedant Sirsa, my roll number is 33.
I will start with the presentation. The topic. The topic of our micro project is e-commerce website regarding vehicles. So the first slide contains the intro of the college, and second slide contains members members of the group, and third slide contains the contents of the presentation. In the fourth slide, it is the introduction, in which we have given basic information of our website, uh, which is the topic of our micro project is e-commerce website regarding vehicles. Everyone knows what is e-commerce, and it is just buying and selling of goods in online, on internet. We aim to build a link between a customer and the showroom with the help of internet. In this next slide, in the next slide, we have our problem definition. Definition of our problem is, we aim to establish a link between and customer and business of a showroom, bike showroom. Whenever we go to buy a bike, face a problem that we have to roam around the city to find best offers. But with the help of our website, the showroom manager or the showroom staff will himself come at your home with the quotation of the vehicle. The next slide. The next slide contains information regarding e-commerce. E-commerce means buying and selling of goods in the online way. It can be C2C, customer to customer, business to customer, or it can be customer to business. Our website is customer to business, means we customer to us and then to business. In the next slide, we have given different names of the brands in India, two-wheeler brands in India, like Honda, Triumph, KTM, Yamaha, Ola, and BMW. And next slide contains what have we done in the CVP. We have designed various web pages of the website. We have designed various forms of the website, and we have also surveyed some research papers regarding e-commerce and database, that of which information we have included in report. Next slide will be represented by Vedant Sirsa.
I will explain the designs of the website of our web pages. Next slide. In that index page and individual brands models and contacts us about us. In that, we design the various types of web pages. First is index page, second is individual brand page, third is individual model web page, and third is about us, and fifth one is a contacts us. The first one is a website page, that is home.html. That is a HTML we will use in front end and with the help of Bootstrap CSS. In that, the top of the header, there is the website name with logo, and navbar. Below the navbar is a about us, contacts us, and brand, and right hand side is a logo and home feature is we provided, and there is the box shape that represent the brands, individual brands, with information sums. This is the brand PHP. PHP we will use in backend. PHP provide the customized user accounts, that is personal accounts also. And there is a first in the navbar below, there is a brand name with the logo, and there below the individual models we specified with some small informations. and this is the bike.php. In that, we specified the vehicle name with the images of the vehicles and some information such as components of the bikes, price, contacts us about the showroom, and color, and basic features. And there is a footer there in below. There is a footer that that shows the information about the our website and with logo. This is the contact us page, web page. There is a information regarding the our website with images and information about the website such as email, contacts us, contact number, address, and various information about the addresses. Next slide will be present by Sujal Gullane.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sujal Gullani, roll number 25. So I will show the designs of our forms. We will created the various designs in CPP, and we will implement in the development phase. These are the some forms we include in development. We will include in development phase: login form, sign up form, and quotation registration form. First, the login form. If the users have already account or visited already in future, it will only enter the username and password, and it will direct continue with our website and access the information. If in case it doesn't have the username and password, then it will register ourselves and sign in and create the username and password and go to a login page and continue with the website and access the information. The third is quotation registration. This is the uh, bridge between user and the showroom. Uh, if any user want to particular brand's model information from a showroom, then it will the user will come to this form and fill the information ourselves, our name, contact details, and the vehicle, the information he want, and submit. After submitting, uh, reach to the showroom where which brand user want information via the email. Next. Database structure in backend, we which database we will use a MySQL database for connecting the for storing the information, and PHP for connecting the database to web pages. These are three forms. Next. These are the attribute in MySQL database. We will create in future in development phase, and these are the quotation registration form with we will create in development phase in CPE. Next. So I conclude my presentation here. Um, in this CPE, we will create, plan, and design our project, and we will try to create a best website and user-friendly website to CPA in this subject. Thank you for giving a chance and opportunity to present our project.
Any question? A question है क्या?
What preparations will you do to implement your project?
Uh, First, we'll make our basic front end website with the help of HTML, CSS, and
Related sites.
directly said we have created designs and all of the web pages with that help, and we will also gather information in which requirement gathering comes in CP, in which we'll prepare several sheets of the Excel in which we will gather the information of the website which we have to insert into the website and we have to display.
एक मार्क बढ़ जाएगा। 25 में से 26 नहीं दे सकता हूँ, लेकिन जिसमें भी 24 होगा उसमें 25 हो जाएगा। जिसमें भी कहीं पर भी कम हो जाए तो मैं इनका एक मार्क बढ़ा दूंगा। चलो नेक्स्ट आ जाइए। नेक्स्ट ग्रुप इज
Group number 2. Good afternoon, sir, and to all students present here. I am Sayyado Mama Fatima, roll number 26, along with my group members, that is Khushi, roll number 29, and Srushti, roll number 27. So now I want to introduce you all to the topic of our presentation. That is IoT based LED lighting control system in smart home. So before jumping to our main topic, let me introduce you all to IoT. So I want to ask you all a question, that what is IoT? Yes, IoT or Internet of Things is a technology which facilitates communication between devices and cloud and devices in order to provide some services. हा एक तंत्रज्ञान आहे जे डिव्हाइसेस आणि क्लाउडमध्ये कम्युनिकेशन करतो आणि आपल्याला काही डिझायर्ड सर्व्हिसेस प्रोव्हाइड करतो. So, nextly, I want to introduce you all to the topic of our presentation, that is home automation. So, home automation is the services provide. It is used to provide some services to make our work easier. For example, if we want to switch on a light, instead of getting up, going towards the switchboard and pressing the button, we can just simply click on our mobile application and the work which you want to do is already performed. So, hopefully till now you all have came across the idea behind our presentation, and now I want to introduce Ms. Khushi to continue the further presentation.
Hello everyone and good afternoon to all. Relation of IoT with home automation. So basically, relation of IoT with home automation. So for handling home automation system, IoT is used. For example, like जसे घर बांधण्यासाठी पिल्लरची आवश्यकता असते तसेच होम ऑटोमेशनसाठी आयोटीची आवश्यकता असते. सो मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड्स. Huh. For software and devices required for home automation. First one is Arduino. Arduino is a programmable chip used for programming. Second one is NodeMCU. NodeMCU is a programmable chip, and its model used is ESP8266. Then more listed, that is Python IDE and Arduino Cloud, etc. So now we are following outputs, proposed expected application. After the development of the application, we are expecting the following UI. Now the next is first page is home automation system is please select a room. Suppose we have selected a hall, then next slide will be appear. In hall there are containing so many buttons. First one is bulb, tube light and lamp. Now move towards the next slide, that is we are selecting a tube light. There is two buttons are appear. The first one is switch on and second one is switch off. Now on pressing the button switch on and switch off, the following tasks are performed and the successful message will be displayed on the screen. Now next is hopefully you all have expecting the of our project, and the next slide will be performed by Srishti Chopre.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Srishti Chopre, roll number 27. I am here to list some of the applications of IoT. First is a smart door access control system, and second is the smart home. Smart home is a most famous applications of IoT. It is becoming the more and more popular nowadays because fulfill the requirements as you want. Third one is smart lighting for home and office and more. Then Next is the advantage of IoT. Advantage of IoT is maximum home security and increase the energy of efficiency and more. Then next slide is a finally it's a conclude the presentation. We have learned the relations of IoT and automations and application and advantages of this project. Thank you.
So as you all know, a coin has a two sides. So you have explained the advantages of your project. Can you please explain me the disadvantages of your project?
First of all, there is not any disadvantage if we are implementing new things or if we are learning the new things. But with the help of home automation, laziness is the biggest disadvantage. People will become lazy. Thank you.
Huh?
By collecting references.
By collecting references.
I agree best and I agree best. So what is the role of data in your project?
No.
Yes, what?
What is the role of data in your project?
Database. We haven't implemented the project yet. If we are implementing, then we'll see.
Thank you, sir.
IoT is a base and robotic is a made of IoT.
Your question? Roll number 38.
IoT is a base and robotic is a made of IoT.
Medical store. Music application. म्यूजिक एप्लीकेशन नहीं है. वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट. लोन मैनेजमेंट. थोड़ा तैयार है फटकन नहीं थे.
Group number 5.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Myself Saloni Chapke, roll number 31.
I am Shruti Lakhe, roll number 35.
And Purva Kade, roll number 38.
I am Tanvi Agarkar, roll number 43.
Myself Pallavi Vigne, roll number 39.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Saloni Chapke. Uh, our project title is Women Empowerment and Avoid Harassment. In this, so after we listen the topic of our project, there is one question will come, that is why we choose this topic. So in this, just be, just because of people. Just because of people people have to understand that women empowerment is very necessary in a Indian society. So in this presentation we will try to explain how to how to we build the website, and how to it helps to the women empowerment for the women's. So next is introduction part. In this program there will be a we create a website. There will be a helpline number for women, videos and event, and recent accident and incidents for women, and the cases of happened so far, deliveries that should be taken, women law, and so on. And the most important thing is, if something is wrong to the woman, and something is wrong to the woman and she wants to complain it, so she will come to the our website and register the complaint. And then after that, we after that, that complaint registered to the police station, and police will be taken action as soon as possible. That's for sure. So next slide, we continue to the Tanvi Agarkar.
Good afternoon, everyone. Before I started to tell events for women, women empowerment, let us see what is women empowerment. Women empowerment means it defines as a sense of self-worth, their ability to uh, uh, to determine their choices and rights to influence social change for themselves and others. In India, women are facing lots of harassment, mental abuse, verbal abuse, and rapes, discrimination at work. So, however, it is possible to help women to defend them, defend against this injustice with different kinds of women empowerment events. Some of them passion into action. Passion into action showcase everyday women who are doing extraordinary things for peoples. Next is women's summit. Women moving millions phases second launch. Women in innovation, future most powerful women summit. These are the benefits. Our website is going to be a very informative website which includes upcoming events, acts. It includes the acts, events, in incidents. It is user friendly website. It is easy to handle. Women can uh, easily register the complaint in our website. These are the languages which we are going to use in our project. HTML, all know HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used to documentation design to be displayed in web browser. Second is JavaScript. JavaScript, uh, it is a programming language. It is a programming language, and CSS is cascading style sheet used for layout and designing the web page. Now I will call the Pallavi Vigne to continue next line.
Good afternoon, everyone. As per Tanvi has explained the languages used for the creation of the front end of the our website. Now I explain the language used in the back for the backend. We are using the MySQL for the saving the data from the complaint registration form in our database. Now here is the design of our website. First one is the homepage. In our homepage, we are including a logo related to the woman harassment and empowerment. The next one is the search bar. We are going, if we want to search the pages of our website, we use the search bar, and we also include the navigation bar, in which we included home, contact us, and complaint and investigation cell. Uh, if we want to go to the sub pages of our website, here is the drop down menu, in which we included principal page, events, acts and laws, and news and event news. Here we also have used a background image to make a website more decorative and attractive. the, Here is the sub pages. First one is news and events, in which we are including the events occurred in past related to the women's and the news. Recently recent news. The next page is healthcare page, in which we are including the concept related to the health of the woman. We are also included navigation bar in every page of the our website, so that user can easily go to the sub pages of our website. The next one is a login to complaint registration. Here is a page when a user wants to complain the register the complaint. Before going to that page, the user should log into the website, so that uh, he or she can process process to the complaint. Now I request to the Purva to continue with further presentation.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, as my group members told, this website is for women. So, in this website, women can register their complaint, and then we will send that complaint to the police station. So, here we can see registration page. So, registration page in which the victim will fill their all details, uh, so that it can help police to understand who is victim and what harassment happened with her, and also some respondent details for catching the respondent. And now the question arises, why should we use this website? Instead, we can directly go to the police station and can register our complaint. But why we are using this website? Because you know what? There are a lot of women. They are harassed, but they are not. But they didn't even complain about it. Why? Because women can think about a lot of questions, like what people will say, and how to answer the questions that people will ask. Because example, like if I am a harassed woman, then it will be hard for me to tell about my harassment to anyone. So here you can see the complaint detail page. Complaint detail page, in this page women can fill the incident, means which incident happened with her, so that we can give it, so that we can forward it to the police station. And now look, if I'm a harassed person, then I will go, if I go to the police station and tell the all about these things, then maybe respondent can harm me or can force me to get the complaint back. But so that's why we are using this website. Then next, there are, sorry, in this website we are not only registering the complaint and then forwarding it to the police station. We are also this website is also uh, for giving information to the women, so that means how to register their complaint. and and here is the section of publication page. Means we have suggest here we are suggesting women some books, which means which women are harassed, and how to complaints against the harassment. Then these are some advantages of our website. This is means this website will be very user friendly, so that user can easily operate it. And also it has a categorized data, so that it will help women to stand for their rights. And also it is not costly, we can easily register our complaint. And it is safe for women, as I told. We are hiding their identity and complain their and register their complaint and providing it to police station. So it is safe for women. and user can access the best and accurate information about the laws and acts that are made for women. Now the next slide will be continued with Shruti.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Shruti Lakhe, roll number 35. As Purva explained, various concepts such as login page, complaint letter box, and advantages. So let's move towards the limitations. What are the limitations of our website? First is connectivity. Connectivity means only user. If a user is use if a user is use if a use if a only user can log in the page if her or him connection is stable. Otherwise this website is not work. Second is only registered user can log in here. Third is cannot see the current status of their investigation. Not useful for Luddite, not used for technical illiterate peoples. Next is conclusion. Now I conclude this presentation of women harassment and empowerment to various concepts such as future scope, advantages, disadvantages, etc. Now, I thankful to Rathod sir for giving us an opportunity to present us in front of you. Thank you.
There are many police stations in our city. So why we are using your website?
So as I told, it is difficult for women to to discuss about their harassment. And as give my example that I am a harassed person. If I am a harassed person, then it is also difficult for me to tell my parents. So police station is a big deal for me. But this website can easily register your complaint, and also it is means just like it is giving their complaint to the police station. Next.
As I am a man, how can a man play a role in promoting your project? If yes, and then how?
Please repeat your question.
Yes, I can answer this question.
अच्छा बरोबर आहे कसा प्रमोट करणार मॅन
Actually, this project is provided to police station. You can contact the police station. They are only administrators. They are on behalf of police station. They are developing this site, and rest of the things are taken care by the police station.
Then
बोलू का बरं? अरे मला पटकन बोलू का?
What charges are applied to the person who has harassed you?
It is depend on your complaint.
Next question.
Roll number 21. How will you overcome your website limitation?
Same. Next.
What is the human empowerment and migrant?
This is very important.
sir
It is already you have asked that.
Roll number 40. What are the functions that you have planned for your website regarding the issue of domestic violence?
40. Yes. Very, very good question.
What are the functions of the website you have planned for the issue of domestic violence.
As we told, this website is informative website. So
आम्ही ही वेबसाईट डायरेक्ट पोलीस स्टेशनला देणार आहे. ते ॲक्ट चार्जेस करतील. विक्टमवर डिपेंड आहे की त्याच्यावर काय हरासमेंट झाली आहे किंवा काय त्यांच्यासोबत झालेलं आहे ते त्याच्यावर डिपेंड करतं.
You can add this in future law. It is only for the women's harassment. He's asking about domestic violence.
डोमेस्टिक violence.
That may include in future law. It will be future. बराबर आएगा इसमें कुछ नहीं करना. हाँ, number of 26.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कोई वुमेन नहीं कोई मेल विक्टिम है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐसा होता है कि वुमेन्स मेल पे इल्जाम लगा रही है कि आपने ऐसे किया वैसे किया, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तो उस हिसाब से आपकी साइट पे यूजफुल नहीं है. हाउ कैन मेरा क्वेश्चन का फिटिंग
हमारी साइट सिर्फ हम वुमेन के लिए बना रहे हैं.
ऐसा होता है मोस्टली कि वुमेन फेक नहीं रहती है, मेल विक्टिम रहता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई पैसों के लिए हो सकता है, प्रॉपर्टी के लिए हो सकता है. तो हाउ कैन युअर साइट पे यूज
ते तो फर्दर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन झाल्यावर माहित पडेल ना की ते विक्टिम खरं बोलत आहे की नाही. ते इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन झाल्यावर हाँ मेल विल बी नहीं मेल विल बी मतलब कंप्लेंट होने के बाद इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा. इन्वेस्टिगेशन होने के बाद
झालं ना.
नेक्स्ट किसका है? तो 6 नंबर. लोन मैनेजमेंट.
Yes, sir.
इंट्रोडक्शन क्या?
Hello everyone, my name is Satvik Kade, group number 6, roll number is 41.
Hello everyone, my name is Swaraj Rathod. I am from group number 6 and my roll number is 45.
Hello everyone, my name is Tejas Padole and roll number is 46.
So our topic is loan management system. This is our group details. So we are introduced about topic. Our topic is loan management system. So basically in this website we can just provide loan to the customer and we can simply provide loan to the customer and satisfy and give loan which type of loan he give and we can give details to the customer. Next is what is loan management system. So loan management system is a digital platform that helps us to provide loan to the customer and we can manage the loan. So loan is a financial instrument that is one party can give loan, one party can borrow money to the next party. So next is objective of loan management system. So there are many objectives as you can see in the screen. So the main objective is to develop a fully functional loan management system. Means we can develop a loan management system website and identify the key component of loan management system specifically for SASCOs and to design a loan management system to calculate the interest on which type of loan we have to give. So for the slide present Swaraj Rathod.
So these are so as we all know that loans are of various types, which generally includes the education loan, personal loan, home loan, and business loan. So the main motive of our project is to make a fully functional website which provides the loan to a customer, uh, and also to save the customer's time. So the question arises that why loan management system is required. More loan management system is required to provide a help to a customer in if anybody wants to start up their business, then a loan is very essential for him. And here are some points about that is moving cost, home uh, that is a large purchase, vehicle financing, wedding expenses, and etc. So we have created the three main pages, web pages in our projects. Here are the three main pages, which is a home page, menu page, and registration page. So here you can see the design of our we have created a design of our website. As we have as we click on our website, we can see here the main UI of our project, which generally contains the menu bar, uh, different kinds of loans. After that, if we click on a specific loan, we see the image of this loan, and we get all the details of it. After that, if we click on the menu option, we see the different kinds of option, that is feature, detail, scope. And after that, if we want to register our details about it, so here are some of the options. We here are if we click on the registration, then we get this kind of form, in which it generally contains the name, password, and email ID, and some details of the customer. Now I request Tejas Podole to explain the further slides.
So this is a design of a database structure. We will just uh, create two main database structures, that is a login and a sign up database structures. This is a design, as you can see in the slide. Now let's move to the next slide. That is about features. First of all, let's say first features, that is reporting and analytics. Miss uh, getting a report on overall cash flow, and software will software will uh, mm, sorry. So next is loan services. We will provide many services in our project, like monthly payment reminder, and next payment schedule, uh, and third is ease of development, deployment, and fourth is a responsive interface, fifth is a scalability, and sixth is a secure. Now further slides is about advantages. First advantage is of perfect for emergencies, convenience, easier access, lower rates, and numerous options. Now I conclude our presentation. Uh, we will give our best to create a website for user, easy and better website for user. And thank you.
Repeat.
How will you verify the customer is genuine and individual?
Actually, for that we have created a registration form. In this, we customer had to fill all the details in it about amount of loan he is getting, and amount, and also he is submitting the documents in it.
रिपीट कर दो रिपीट हाँ
कस्टमर आपसे लोन के लिए आएगा आपके वेबसाइट पे, तो कौन से बेसिस पे उसको लोन मिलेगा और बैंक का क्या रोल रहेगा उसमें?
उसमें बैंक का रोल नहीं, बैंक का मतलब रोल नहीं रहेगा, लेकिन हम उसके पास से उसकी सारी डिटेल्स लेंगे, जैसे उसके आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड वगैरह और मोबाइल नंबर, और उसका सभी इसका एक्सेस लेंगे कि उसने लोन लिया भी, तो मतलब वो उसकी सारी डिटेल्स हमारे पास रहेगी।
तो कौन से बेसिस पे उसको लोन मिलेगा?
उसकी हम एलिजिबिलिटी देखेंगे कि वो मतलब उसके लिए प्रॉपर है कि नहीं, वोट लेने के लिए, नहीं तो कोई भी रजिस्टर कर सकता है, तो ऐसे।
This website is not providing home loan or any other loan. It is just for checking the eligibility, whether you are eligible for the loan or not. Inside.
What is the secure feature in your project?
सिक्योर फीचर
जे पण काही युजरचे डेटा वगैरे राहतील ते कुठेच नाही जाणार, म्हणजे लीक नाही होऊ शकणार. आणि म्हणजे युजरचा डेटा ॲक्च्युली ते लीक नाही होऊ देणार. युजरनी कुठल्या प्रकारचं लोन घेतलं काय ते फक्त युजर आणि क्रिएटरच्या मदतच राहते. ठीक आहे.
तुमचा कोणता ग्रुप? ॲग्री.
Sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aman Asthana, roll number 24, group number 7. Our project topic is agriculture information.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Karthik Thokara, group number 7.
Our project title is agriculture information. Next. This is our group member. This content. So introduction. So agriculture information is a web-based application, and it gives the farmer to increase their crop production. And this website always gives the product details and latest news and problem definition. In agriculture information, it gives the latest news and regarding for the crops, and it gives the best production related to the crop farms. It will guide about information of crops and filters. So the product details add the filters information, what pesticide that we will use, that farmer is used, and this website is helps to increase the production of crops, and this website by keeping farmers and organic agriculture products seller in mind. So next slide is continued by Karthik.
We create several forms of login and sign up. The sign up form, admin login form, farmer login form. These are of farmer sign up. If you don't have account, you first have to sign up the sign up page. It will ask for some information of the uh, personal information to create an account. This is of login form. It will ask for your username and password. It will check in the database if you already sign up or design of admin login form. It contains email and password to log in for the admin. We create several web pages such as main page, latest news page, product details page, add news page, add products page. This is the design of main page. It contains some images, information about the website and footer. This is page of latest news. In this page, we will add some information about the farming related and date and its type. This is the product details page. There is some product, company and product contents, product price and category and its category. Design for add new page. This is the admin page. This page is only accessed by the admin. This is design of add product page. From this page, the admin can add or delete the page product. I will ask Aman Astana to continue.
So yeah, I will explain the design of the database structure. So we will use the MySQL database and connect and using of PHP we connect in our website. This is our database of latest news, and these are some benefits of our website. This is it will increase the farm productivity, and it will help to farmer by providing relevant information about crops, and by using this app, this website, they will get good production, and it will avoid use of harmful fertilizer and pesticides and farming products. So I will conclude our project. So in this session, we prepare and work on planning phase and gather information regarding websites requirements, and we will implement it in development phase, which we will discuss in this session.
Yes, online users.
So
Roll number 39.
तो वी विल ऐड द प्रोडक्ट डिटेल्स पेज. सो इसमें इंफॉर्मेशन रहेंगी कि कौन सा फर्टिलाइजर हमें यूज़ करना चाहिए, कौन सी पेस्टिसाइड यूज़ करना चाहिए, जिससे कि प्रोडक्शन बढ़े हमारे क्रॉप फसल का. ये हमारे वेबसाइट का एक डिसएडवांटेज है कि फार्मर को थोड़ा टेक्निकल नॉलेज होना चाहिए, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिवाइसेस यूज़ करते आना चाहिए फार्मर्स को.
कौन सा है? मेडिकल स्टोर, मेडिकल स्टोर बिलिंग
So good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. So my name is Tushar Dhamecha, roll number 28.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Ayush Chenani from group number 3.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Sahil Gullane. My roll number is 37. So from group number 3.
So today we will present our project planning phases and start the presentation. Uh, so, so meet our team, Tushar Dhamecha, Ayush Chenani, and Sahil Gullane. So this is the content of our presentation. So let's move to next about us. Medical storing system is a computerized system. It's a computer system designed to manage the operation of a medical store. So इस जो ये हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर है इसके अंदर सिंपली बिलिंग के ऑपरेशंस होते हैं और इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट का यानी functions होते हैं. So next time. So those are the vision and mission of our project. So vision to maintain the highest level of quality services so that we can provide the best medical services in the area. This is the vision, and the mission are to excite the expectations of the customer and provide them with the best billing service and the most reliable support system. So this is the measure. And so test next see testimonial. So medical shop owner perspective. Let's see medical owner perspective. So the real-time medical billing software will help the shop owner an efficient and easier billing process for the drug which are sold to the customer. And let next see medical shop. In every medical shop, this software will be very useful and none other than medical shop. It can be used at various places such as hotels, models, and lodges, etc. And the researchers, the experience with the development and the implementation of the system will further improve the researchers' knowledge and skills. So now see objectives of our project. So let's see first to provide a user a easy software for billing process. Let's see next to maintain record of available product in the shop. The third one is provide a convenient solution of billing pattern. And the last one is add and maintain a description of new product. So further part will continue by Ayush.
This is our designs. First one is login form. In login form, if a customer have already already signed up their details, and here is a login username, then he taken password, then login. If you are not sign up, then to go to sign up form. Next. These are your website page, also known as admin page. If admin has a login or staff can be, then is a functions. Ours first one is about us. Second is create bill. In create bill, a user can create a bill like taking item, product code, product name, quantity, and add to cart. Then delete, modify bit. If अगर बिल में कोई खराबी आ जाए, यानी गलती से कोई आइटम ज्यादा ऐड हो गया है या फिर कोई कम है, उसको मॉडिफाई करने के लिए हम मॉडिफाई बिल के ऑप्शन में जा सकते हैं. उसके बाद है ऐड प्रोडक्ट. जैसे कि हमको नया प्रोडक्ट ऐड करना है या फिर डिलीट करना है, उसके लिए हम ये फंक्शन यूज कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद है ऐड स्टाफ. ये सिंपली है ना, हम एडमिन पेज है, एडमिन स्टाफ को ऐड करेंगे तभी वो एक्सेस कर पाएंगे हमारी वेबसाइट को. These are the functionality and data structure. These are the login page. User can take on staff और login. Then admin page में जैसे मैंने अभी अभी आपको बताया, तो admin create bill भी कर सकता है, modify भी कर सकता है, delete भी कर सकता है, और add staff भी कर सकता है. और ये काम, इसमें से 2-3 काम स्टाफ भी कर सकता है, जैसे कि ऐड प्रोडक्ट, रिमूव प्रोडक्ट. बट वो कुछ काम नहीं कर सकता है, जैसे कि स्टॉक्स देखना, उसके बाद स्टाफ को रिमूव करना, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट डिलीट करना. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट पार्ट विल बी कंडक्टेड बाय साहिल.
So without any further delay, we will now see the main concept of our project, that is the type of software which is typically used by accounting professionals but can also be used by salespeople or project managers to provide the customers with the estimates or pro form invoices. So billing software helps companies manage invoicing for different types of products or services, such as project billing or for professional services, and recurring the billing for utilities. So moving towards the next part, that is the pros and cons of our project, means advantages and disadvantages of the project. So we will see the advantages first. So minimize paperwork, manual work, and errors. So as we all know that web-based applications and the web-based applications generally have an automation process which generally creates and generates bill faster than manual work. So it actually minimizes paperwork and manual work. So make patient information more accessible. So yes, of course, as we all know that the web-based applications also have a database. So we can generally access the patient's information from database more accessibly by giving the entries like sales ID, from which we can access the patient's information. Improving claim tracking, yes, of course, as we have a project of medical billing, so therefore it generally becomes a communication between the payer and the provider, for which tracks the claim of healthcare. So therefore enhancing the financial reporting, yes, of course, as we all know that financial reporting gives out the insights of the system, and therefore it gives out, or it generally gives out the root causes of the services which are generally caused by the errors, by coding compliances, and by serving the integrity of the project. Therefore improve patient care with payment is, yes, of course, as I have said that the web-based applications as have the web-based application also have an that automation process. So therefore it improves the patient care with the payment is, because it generates bill faster than manual work. So these were the advantages. Now moving towards the cons, that is the disadvantages. One of the biggest con of a web-based medical billing software is reliance on the internet. As we all know that web-based applications generally rely on internet very much. So it is the main disadvantage of our project. So it increases the risk. Yes, of course, as we all know that the data can be leaked very easily from here. So it increases the risk. It exposes your medical facility to further data security risk, especially if employees are not properly trained or working remotely. So as you all know that we have an admin and a staff page. So the staff can also manage or see the all the details of it. Then therefore it causes the data security risk, especially if the employees are not trained properly. So therefore it has an main disadvantage that the data can be leaked here. So these were the disadvantages of the project. So moving towards the reference part, these were the references used in our project. So these were the references, and thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
There are many websites available on internet. So why related to medical? So why should we use your website as a complete detail website in website in Engg?
अभी तक कोई भी वेबसाइट बनी नहीं है जैसे वेब पेज में, अभी तक एप्लीकेशन में बने और उसके डेटा लॉस होते हैं, सर्वर पे नहीं रहते वो। अपन ये हमारी यानी हम ये वेबसाइट कहाँ पे भी यूज कर सकते हैं। अगर मेरा शॉप है, इन केस मेरा शॉप है यहाँ पे अमरावती में, और जो मेरा स्टाफ है वो यानी ऑर्डर लेने गए कहाँ पे भी, यानी एजेंसी है मेरा समझो, और अगर हमारा प्रोडक्ट्स कहाँ पे जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे भी वो ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर कर सकता है, हमारे पास सब ऑर्डर आएगा तो उससे काम फास्ट होता है। नहीं तो जो यहाँ पे लोकल रहते हैं वो सर्वर नहीं यूज करते, नहीं वेब एप्लीकेशन यूज करते, उनमें डेटाबेस भी नहीं होता है, तो उसमें जब तक वो हमारे तरफ ऑर्डर आएगा प्रोसेस होगा उसमें टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है।
Provide quality services to medical store.
Quality services. As we have explained the advantages and disadvantages of our project, we have all those qualities in there present manually. As I have explained that it reduces the manual work or the paperwork here. What?
कस्टमर की क्वालिटी सर्विस
कस्टमर का हमारे इसमें रोल ही नहीं है, पहली बात उसमें सिर्फ दो ही है, टू टाइप्स ऑफ यूजर्स आर। फर्स्ट वन इज एडमिन एंड सेकंड वन इज स्टाफ।
द स्टाफ की क्वालिटी सर्विस मैनुअली
हाँ उसका हम कर सकते हैं।
मैनुअल का जो स्टाफ है तो तुम्ही कमी
हाँ हो जाएगा उसका कम हो जाएगा।
आणि जे पण त्याचा मेंटेनन्स
मेंटेनेंस मींस कौन से इसमें मेंटेनेंस हो रहा है?
कधी डेटा लॉस होतो
हाँ
तर मग ते
तो हम उसके लिए दूसरा डेटाबेस भी बनाएंगे जो इसका बैकअप ले लेगा।
How online payment system works in your project?
Online payment हमारे पास नहीं है. We only take orders and
Orders
we only,
and, हाँ,
and
do
we
process
only
के.
provide the orders. We don't have any payment procedure here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
नंबर हाँ रोल नंबर नहीं पाहिजे. कोणता आहे तुमचा प्रोजेक्टचं नाव काय?
म्युझिक ऍप्लिकेशन इन अँड्रॉइड स्टुडिओ.
5 मिनिटात करा. या आता ते ती पण आता
I am roll number 36, group member of group number 4. The topic of our micro project is the music application in Android Studio. So slide change. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanika Chaudhary, roll number 42.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Tanvi Hankar, roll number 44.
A very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Renuka Raut and roll number is 32.
प्रोजेक्टचं नाव सांगायचं.
Good, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kashish Tiwari, roll number 36. I would like to tell you about what we are going to prepare in our capstone project planning, and what is our what in what application we are going to build our software. We are going. These are the group members of my group. The following PPT will cover these types of contents. First, all of us use Android, but do we ever know what is a Android? It is a open source Linux operating system designed for all the electronic devices such as mobiles, tablets, and other electronic devices that we use in our daily lives. Um, it 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 is it. Uh,
नेक्स्ट
so,
नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट, ये कुछ नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, हाँ ये चाहिए.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now I will explain the designing and planning of our project. So this will be the first slide when we open our app. Here the logo of our app will be displayed, and these are our logo of app, which name as TuneIn. And this is the create account, which is the second slide of our project. Here at the top the app name will be displayed. For taglines, some for enhancing our app look, here the it will ask for the option for login. First will it ask for login. If the user have account, then user can click here for login. Then new user can click here if they have to create an account for sign up. Then continue with Google. If user can also continue with their email ID from Google. Then terms and condition here. These are our terms and condition of our app. Then next slide is a login page for our app. If a user has account, then display will be display. At the top, user have to give email address and username for their creating account and password. Then login. If a user doesn't exist any account and user is new for our app, then the sign page will be display here. Here the users information users can enter here. Users email, password, phone number, and what their date of birth and gender for sign up. This is our main page of music. Here the song name and artist name will be displayed at the top, and then the song image will display here. Then duration and time of the song will display in the bottom, and pause play here the buttons. By clicking them, pause, play, and forward backward we can perform. Then in the bottom the tabs, menu tabs are here. It is my music app, my music tab. Then search tab. By clicking search tab, here the search page will be displayed. Then the user users want to listen music, they can search here. And in the recommendation, songs will display here. Then users created that account by sign up page will create here a user's profile. Here the name and user name will be display of the users. Then users can edit their profile by clicking edit profile. um, Next slide will be explained by Sanika. Thank you.
These are these are the Firebase of database. First, Firebase is a real-time database that stores and updates. Firebase is a real-time database that stores and updates data on the cloud. We can use Firebase on various platforms, including Android, iOS, and the web. Firebase supports a JSON format for displaying data to users. Firebase provides detailed documentation and cross-platform SDKs to help you build and ship apps on Android, iOS, the web, C++, and UTT. Firebase is a real-time database which allows to store trees of lists of objects. It allows to synchronize data difference between devices. So the conclusion of our today's presentation is we plan this application by using language Java, HTML, uh, XML, HTML, JSP. In this app, user can experience various features. It is used to subscription free, ads free. User will able to search song they needed to listen. Thank you, sir.
No, you can't download because it is music streaming app. The database we have music that only will be play here, and we you can't download music here.
Rule number 34. What are some key features to consider when building a music application with Android Studio?
Key features is um, you huh.
The songs will be played offline so that it will not consume any type of nets of you. It will not show any advertisement, so user can listen the music continuously.
फीचर्स क्या है कि Android Studio से build करेंगे यानी वो नहीं पूछा कि वो song
Most of the applications are building that only.
उसमें क्या ऐसा है
Features, you can register search your song. That are the features. You wanted song that you can search here. फिर क्या पूछ रहे हैं?
की फीचर्स क्या है बिल्ड करने का हम इस पे Android Studio में बिल्ड क्यों करें उसके फीचर्स क्या है
क्योंकि ये एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन है मोबाइल वाला, तो हमको एंड्रॉयड स्टूडियो में ही उनको डेवलप करना पड़ेगा। हम बाद हाँ बाद में किसी पे नहीं हो सकता।